Hello everyone, so today we have this beautiful Volkswagen Taigun, and on this we have applied our paint protection film, plus we have installed the Thinkware Dashcam, the Q200 model, dual channel, the front and rear. Plus we have also installed the CarPro UVX70, this is the nano ceramic very high performance Sunfilm. Along with that we have also protected the interior of this car with all these glossy parts over here, plus on the dashboard, around the center console and the steering wheel. So if you need a total protection for your car along with yourself for your personal safety, please do get in touch with us.